guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing something today that I have been meaning to do for a very long time, and that is do like a full declutter. Now, this is gonna be a declutter for like probably more normal person's amount of makeup, right? Keep in mind that I did used to work at Sephora. I have quite a bit of stuff from there and I do love makeup, but it's not like an insane amount. But I need to get rid of some stuff, and this is what my vanity is looking like right now. I just wanna like be able to get some more stuff off of my tabletop and just minimize, I guess is the word. So I will be separating stuff that needs to be thrown away from stuff that needs to be passed on. I'll sanitize it and then pass it on, and that's what I've done before. That will probably be happening again. I can't think of anything else, but we should just hop to it and get it done, right? So I have one of the IKEA Alex, the 9-drawer little guy here. And then my vanity is like brows. I have some like extra makeup that I just always keep out here. And then I have my brushes, my face brushes that I'm using regularly. I usually keep whatever eye brushes that I'm using this week here. And then over here, I have, I keep like primers up on top, and then I have eyeshadows. I don't have like all this stuff here. And then I have a lip gloss thing. My goal is I'd like to get this guy into the drawer system. That is sort of like the goal. Okay, so my first drawer up here is nail stuff.
Taking one more breath beside you, so I could find strength to divide us. Gave it all we got, and I know we did the best we could. If I could go back, undo the mess, I would memorize your face before I go. But this is how we go. But this is how we grow. Gotta give it up, sometimes it's gold. And knowing when to kill your pride. There's no one to blame, nothing really stays the same. This is how we grow. Sometimes we hold on to let go. Taking one more breath beside you, so I could find strength to divide us. Gave it all we got, and I know we did the best we could. If I could go back, undo the mess, I would memorize your face before I go. But this is how we grow. Gotta give it up, sometimes it's gold. And knowing when to kill your pride. There's no one to blame, nothing really stays the same. This is how we grow. Sometimes we hold on to let go.
So that is it for now. That is it. Let me show you what we ended up with. This, yeah, that's Shamir. He's staying. This is all the makeup I'm throwing away, like in the trash, which, you know, that isn't too bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those containers. I have a few more containers to get rid of. All of this, my friends, all of this is gonna get passed on to friends. Brushes that I am getting rid of. I went through them and cleaned all of my dirty ones, so I have a full set of clean brushes now, but these are what I decided to get rid of. They're all actually really good brushes. I just don't use them. I don't need this many brushes. And so, yeah, this is what I am going to pass on. All right, this was my cleaning station and everything is now all sanitized. It's all done. lots of dang goodies that are going to be in that. So that is it. That is where I'm going to leave the video for today. Thank you so much for hanging with me. Make sure you leave a like down there if you enjoyed seeing what we went through today, and make sure you also subscribe and ring that bell as well. That way you never miss any of my future videos. All right, guys, until later, you know it. Stay blessed. Stay well. Bye-bye.